Let's take a journey into the fascinating world of the brain, where neuroimaging helps us peek beneath the surface and see all the lively activity going on. Imagine tiny glial cells, especially microglial cells, acting like the brain's own cleanup crew, responding to neuroinflammation and keeping everything tidy. Meanwhile, synaptic function is busy at the microscopic level, with synaptic vesicles ferrying neurotransmitters across dendritic spines to keep communication flowing smoothly. And speaking of messengers, the endocannabinoid system is like the brain's own chill-out squad, modulating everything from emotion and stress to cognition. It interacts closely with mitochondrial function, those powerhouses of the cells, because when mitochondria go haywire, it can cause mitochondrial dysfunction, throwing a wrench into neural processes. Now let's not forget the intricate architecture of the brain. Think of the cortical lamina and cortical columns, like the brain's layered neighborhoods, housing the hippocampus subfields, key players in memory and learning. Surrounding these regions is the cortical microvasculature, ensuring oxygen nutrients get where they're needed. On the neurochemical front, GABA and glutamate are like the brain's calming and exciting neurotransmitters, working in tandem with glutamine to keep things balanced. Dopaminergic and noradrenergic functions and layers of complexity, influencing everything from motivation to alertness. These chemical metabolites are the tiny molecules that tell the brain how to feel and respond. Now let's add some receptor action into the mix, like the kappa opioid receptor, which is involved in mood regulation and can influence feelings of anhedonia. That's the inability to enjoy things. Researchers explore kappa opioid antagonists as potential tools to lift this gloom, especially in the ventral striatum, known for its role in reward and motivation. When ventral striatal activity is high, it's like the brain's reward center is firing on all cylinders. Neuroimaging also helps us see changes in brain structure, brain cortical thickness, and the connectivity during resting states. How different parts of the brain talk to each other even when we're just relaxing. Think of it as observing the brain's social network at rest, revealing patterns of functional connectivity. Finally, neuromodulatory interventions like brain stimulation or targeted therapies aim to tweak these networks, especially in critical regions like the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex or the subgenual anterior cingulate cortex, helping us better understand and maybe even improve mental health and cognitive function. So, from cellular details to whole brain connectivity, the brain is a lively, complex universe, full of surprises, and thanks to neuroimaging, we're just beginning to understand its incredible story.